Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. The button's down below. Make that button gray. And let's get started. As you can tell in the title down below, I wanted to make a video on what small YouTube channels should prepare for when starting a channel. I'm still a small YouTuber. I don't even consider myself a small YouTuber. I'm more like a because I'm still really new, but I wanted to do a video talking about some tips and some things you should be aware of, because I've been on here for about 3 months or so, but I've learned a lot from a lot of channels and a lot of YouTubers that I've met over these 3 months, and they've been super helpful. So here goes nothing. So my first tip is being consistent. I'm pretty sure you heard that, but it definitely makes a difference if you're consistent with your postings. I make sure that I try to post every Sunday because I don't want the audience to think that, oh, she's just gonna post here and then like she's gonna post another day. You know, if you watch my videos, it's always on Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that's when my new videos come out. I wouldn't suggest posting videos whenever you feel like it, like posting it on a Sunday and then the next week you're gonna post on like a Wednesday. It's kind of like a TV show. You want to be able to have your audience know when you're going to upload. So staying consistent and just uploading same time, or letting your audience know when you're going to upload every week so they're prepared for it. A struggle for a lot of channels or a lot of new YouTubers because they don't know when to start because they don't have the right equipment, the right lighting, or the right camera or a mic or anything. To be honest, when I first started my channel, I was using my phone. I was using like just my light in the room. Normally people tell you to do natural lighting, and if you have natural lighting in your room, use it because that's to your greatest advantage. The lighting is perfect. You don't need any lighting equipment. But for me, when I have time to film, it's always dark out, so I don't have that natural light to use. So my first few videos, I was just using the light in my room and it was pretty dark. Use whatever you got. I would just say start it. You don't need the high-end like DSLR cameras or anything to start one. Like, I'm not even using a DSLR. Excuse me, phone. I bought a $30 light from Amazon to use for my videos. I just needed more light. But once you get more serious, I feel like you can start growing your equipment better that way. But if you're just starting off, you don't have to buy like $1,000 worth of equipment for you to start your channel. Just use what you got. It's 2020. You got this. Just work on what you have and just go from there. If you watch my videos when I first started up until now, things changed drastically, but slowly too. Get inspired. Whatever content that you like to watch, make videos on it. If that's something interesting to you, I'm pretty sure other people find it interesting as well. I'm not saying that you should copy other content creators out there, but just make it your own way and make it unique to you, because no one wants to watch someone else's personality on a different channel. You know what I mean? Just be yourself and just get inspiration and then just go from there. Don't be afraid of editing your videos. You want to be able to put out content that is exciting to the audience. You don't want to put just like a whole video. Like, I can imagine if this whole video was like not cut and edited at all, because I'm weird. Like, there's pauses that I'm just like, or I'm awkward, and want to make your videos interesting. So just don't be afraid to cut out certain areas that you saying like or so. Just cut those out and put in the clips that you find interesting because other people will find interesting. You know, so just edit your videos. Don't be scared. There's tons of free editing programs out there. Have fun with it. Editing is one of my favorite things to do when I am filming my videos. I like to film my videos, but after like filming my videos, I like to edit it and just make it more interesting. I am not a small YouTuber yet. I don't see myself as a small YouTuber because I know that I check my analytics every single day, probably more than I should. I do look at my numbers all the time. I look at my subscribers count, or like how many watch hours I have, because it is important. The followers will come. I just have to tell myself that, and I'm telling you as well that if your content is something that people like to watch, they'll come. Of course, new YouTube channels, it's hard because it is competitive out there. Just keep going. Don't keep focusing on your numbers. I tell myself that all the time, like, stop looking at the numbers, amount of subscribers or whatever, because if your videos are interesting, they'll stay and they'll come back and watch it. Alright, so keep your videos simple. I mean, yeah, you can do like some crazy effects and like do this and do that and everything in your whole entire video. Some videos can be overly animated and, you know, sometimes it's just not what people like to watch. When I first started, I'm pretty sure I put a lot of like animations into my videos. Simple videos are quite fun to watch, you know, they're exciting. Like whatever is in the video, like the content that's in the video is interesting. Just keep it simple and you don't have to be overly animated or anything, but you don't want to be overly monotone either. Pay attention to your title of your videos, your description of your videos, as well as your tag. YouTube uses your tags to help them categorize like what your video is about, right? Put like DIY, your video will like pop up in like the DIY stuff. I don't know if it's gonna be like the top. If you're just starting off as a small YouTube channel, be able to categorize your videos better by using your tags as well as your titles. Your titles are very important. Instead of putting like DIY comfy blanket, put in how to make your own knitted giant blanket or something. You want to be able to put in a title that people will search up for and it would probably get more engagement that way. Making it more easy for, you know, like those that want to learn more, watch certain things, they'll be able to search your videos faster. You always want to add something about your video on your description box. When you're scrolling through different videos on YouTube, there's like this little description. You want to be able to put certain things in there that people find interesting. Another important thing is thumbnails. Thumbnails are like what gets the attention first. If you have like a blurry photo, not a lot of people want to click on it because they'll be like, oh, it's not that great. But if you put like a nice thumbnail, people would want to click on it more. So thumbnails are very important. So you don't want to put something in your thumbnail that's not in your video because that's considered like clickbait. And if your viewers are watching it and they're trying to figure out like, does your thumbnail have to do with your video and it's not like nothing in there, then they're just gonna get mad and never want to watch it again. Like for me, like if I saw someone saying how to win $1 million, something like that, and they had nothing to do with their video, I most likely won't return. Developing a thick skin. So just take my advice for what it's worth. I'm just telling you what I learned so far. There's people out there that just have so much time on their hand and just like to mess with people, like a lot of trolls out there. You just have to have thick skin. I'm not saying they're all trolls. Some people just are just offended. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. I've received some interesting stuff, but you're gonna have to brush it off of you. Don't let it affect you so much. Just let it go. It is what it is. Like the flick. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay.
Last but not least is get social. Be social with your viewers. Whatever their comments are, you know, answer back. Like want to interact with subscribers, you know what I mean? When you're first starting off, you don't have the community tab. You have to meet, I think, 1,000 subscribers for you to have the community post where you can start posting on your feeds. Yeah, you can't even go live on your phone if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. There's different applications out there. I know a lot of YouTubers that haven't met their 1,000 subscriber threshold yet use the Streamlab to go live on their phone, or you can just go live on your desktop or your laptop or something like that. I go live sometimes as well. I'm really awkward. I'd rather do videos where I can edit. Like the community that I've met so far since starting my YouTube channel are hilarious and very entertaining. You guys know who you guys are, so thank you so much for helping me throughout my journey so far. I'm a fetus in the YouTube community channel. You know, these are the tips that I have for you, or what I've learned so far since I've been on YouTube for the past three months or so. I mean, I still have a lot to learn. I didn't know all this stuff until I started my channel. For you to be monetized, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which calculates to about 240,000 minutes. So that's a lot of minutes, and you have to meet that within a 12-month range. But if you don't, then it carries over until you hit your 12 months of that for you to hit your monetization. There's definitely a lot more to learn about YouTube, and if you want to learn more, let me know. Comment down below. My social is down below. My Instagram is down there. You can always just DM me and we can chat. That's all I have. Please don't come for me. This is just some tips that I've learned so far since I've been on YouTube for the past 3.5 months or so. So don't at me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to thumbs up the video. Make sure you subscribe down below, and yeah, share out this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!